6.3 is reflection over diagonal lines. A little trickier than just having them be horizontal or vertical, but same concept of flipping it. Reflect the figure over the line y equals x minus 2. So this is y equals mx plus b. See how it's going through the y-axis at -2, and my slope is up 1, right 1. That's all they graphed there. And so we've got to flip this diagonally here. What I want you to make a note of is that lines of reflection are perpendicular. What I mean by that is if this slope's 1, all my points are actually going to have a slope of the negative reciprocal, which is -1. So we're actually going down 1, right 1, instead of our line, which is up 1, right 1. So if I'm going to take this point, I'm going to go down 1, right 1. I guess I could do this. There's 1. So count how many times it happens. Then down 1, and then a half. So that's really 1.5 times. So I just go ahead and do one other time and see that I'm centered here because this is a half and this is a half of that down 1, right 1. And then I know I need one more to balance it out. And really you can kind of eyeball. But see how this was 1.5 of the pattern and this was 1.5 of that pattern. So do that with another point. I'm going to go down 1, right 1. There's 1 time. 2 times, and again I'm going to half, so I'm just going to go ahead and finish it out and then not count it. I knew had 2 full times. So there's 1, there's 2. So there's those. And then last one, I'm going to go down 1, right 1. There's 1, 2, 3. So I liked that that came out even. And then repeat that. 1, 2, 3 more times. Sorry, I know it's sloppy, but I want you to see exactly what I'm doing. So you can see where these images, these points are the same distance, and then these are opposite of each other, so it looks symmetrical. All right, let's try another one. This time the line is -1x plus 3, so the slope is -1. So I want these points to be reflected so that the slope is +1, but the problem is we're starting on the right side. So +1 slope could also come from going down 1, left 1, because going down is a negative, going left is a negative. So think about working backwards would really be going down and left. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 times to get to our line of reflection. So I'm going to go 4 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this one I'm going to go down 1, left 1. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then a half. So I just don't even count it. I knew I had 5 full times here, so I'm going to go 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And last one, down 1, left 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 even times. So do 1, 2, 3, 4 more times. And that looks like a reflection of itself. So again, this slope is actually +1 because from here to here we're going up 1, right 1. But lines can be read both ways and we had to work to the left, so that's why we had to do the opposite to get over there. All right, one more where the slope's not 1. Slope is actually -2. So you can see this line's going down 2, right 1. So what is the perpendicular slope to that? The negative reciprocal would make it +1/2. But again, my picture's over on the right, so I've got to work backwards. So instead of going up 1, right 2, I can also go down 1, left 2, because that'll divide to make positive. So I'm going to go down 1, left 2. I only had to do that 1 time, so I'm going to just do it one more time. Down 1, left 2, that point's done. Down 1, left 2, that's 1. Down 1, left 2, 2. Down 1, left 2, 3. So go 1, 2, 3. And last one, down 1, left 2, 1, left 2, down 1, left 2. It took 3 times. Down 1, left 2, 1, left 2, ooh. And 1, left 2. And there's my reflection. So again, always pick out the slope of the line that you're reflecting over and then think I'm doing the perpendicular slope of that to make my points and figure out how many times that pattern occurs and repeat it on the other side of the line.